Now we'll go over how to make social media descriptions for Instagram and YouTube Shorts. So first of all, you'll have this document here, which will have the basic breakdown for how to make these descriptions. And so here in the section here, basically the formula is that you want to start with the title that we made first in the video. So using that title formula via this section here, we use that to plug into ChatGPT, and then that will give us a succinct and ready to go description that we can use for our social media. So an example of that, here in ChatGPT, I've written write a 3 bullet point engaging Instagram reel description with call to action using this title. And this is the title for the video that we did in the previous video, target shoulder pain instantly with pectoralis major fascial stretch therapy. And so we put that in, and then ChatGPT gives us this output right here. And this is pretty good because we want to still use this title with all these keywords like we were talking about, because that's going to be important, but also we want to try to give people a reason to kind of think about this more, and then ideally follow up on this call to action. Now, after we copy and paste this, we do need to just update it a little bit, especially for Instagram. So what I would do is that after we've copied and pasted it here, so we would say book your session today by clicking the link in the bio, because that's how Instagram works. You can't embed a link into a description. It has to be instead in the bio. So with this, we're ready to copy and paste this into our description for Instagram. Now for YouTube, we have to take it a little bit further. So we are going to be using all this text up here, but then we need to follow it up with more kind of fleshing out, because YouTube allows us. So we might as well go ahead and do that for a lot of reasons related to SEO. So basically here, so instead of this call to action here, we're going to have the schedule your appointment with Dr. Helms.
1993.
And then so you'll see that we have the Helms Performance link, followed by learn more about fascial stretch therapy at the website, followed by the address, and also just kind of sneaking in the Instagram link just because why not. So YouTube Shorts as well as other YouTube videos are going to be a really great way that we can try to boost SEO in addition to showing users this content. And that's it.